Let me clear something up real quick. My last video wasn't saying employees are weak. It was saying ownership changes you. But today, I'm going to say something most boss talk videos won't say. Sometimes the smartest move is being an employee. I love ownership. I love building. I love betting on myself. Excuse me. But entrepreneurship is not for everybody. And it's not failure, that's wisdom. Michael Jordan said, people see the shots I made, but they don't see the thousands I missed. Ownership is like that. From the outside, it looks like freedom, money, control. But once you step in this arena, it gets real. You don't see the angry customer. You don't see the sleepless nights. You don't see an employee calling in sick on the day of an install. You don't see somebody forgetting to glue a PVC pipe on the condensate drain line that floods the ceiling with a antique chandelier up under it. You don't see commercial auto insurance getting so high I feel like it's somebody's mortgage payment. You don't see federal taxes, state taxes, payroll taxes, half of Medicare, Social Security. You don't see answering the phone while you already on the job, putting fires out while trying to build something. You don't see the emails at midnight. You don't see stress following you home. So yeah, sometimes the smartest move is being an employee. As an employee, you clock in, you do your job, your phone stops ringing, your stress stays at work. You don't worry about payroll. You don't worry about insurance. You don't worry about taxes. You don't worry about lawsuits. You don't worry about keeping the lights on or making payroll. You get a steady check. You get health insurance. You get most weekends off. You get a peace of mind. And peace is expensive. Some people pay with money. Some people pay with stress. Some people pay with their time. So if you're an employee and you happy, stay right there. That's not weakness. That's wisdom. Everybody not built to carry risks. Everybody not built to make payroll when the money is low. Everybody not built to be responsible for other people's family. Ownership look good on YouTube, but you don't see the missed shots. You don't see the losses. You don't see the doubt. Don't let the internet shame you into a life you don't want. I'm gonna leave you with this. One of my favorites, Earl Nightingale said something powerful. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. That means if you got a goal and you working towards that goal, you already a success. Not when you arrive, not when you rich, not when people clap for you, but when you moving toward what matters to you. So whether you're a boss or whether you an employee, ask yourself one thing. Am I walking towards what I believe in? If the answer is yes, you winning. Now, if this message hits you, drop "I'm winning" in the comments and share this video with somebody who feel pressured to be something they're not. All right, HVAC people, we out.